Welcome back to Alkaline TV. This is Douglas Dennis, the Alkaline Chef. Today we're making caramel cookies. Stick around to the end because I'm going to be giving away a free entry into my course. But you have to be subscribed and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for all the subscribers and all of your feedback. I appreciate it. Don't these look amazing? So we're going to get right into it and how to bake these up very quickly because they are relatively easy, simple, vegan, alkaline, and healthy. So this is a cup and a half of spelt flour, and we're going to add a half cup of rye flour. Or you could do 1 cup spelt, 1 cup rye, a half cup of agave. You can use light or dark, doesn't matter. A half cup grapeseed oil or avocado oil, splash of vanilla extract, pinch of sea salt, and stir it up. Stir it on up. I cannot wait for this to be done, and I cannot wait to eat it. How about you? Are you excited? You're gonna be, and you will want to make these more than once, that's for sure. These are not just for one time, these are for every week. I would say every day. So here we have the filling. This is basically the icing from that double layer cake we made, but scaled down to a smaller amount. So the original recipe was 2 tablespoons coconut oil, a half teaspoon vanilla, 2 cups ground date sugar, and a 1/4 cup coconut milk. But we're only using a couple spoonfuls of coconut milk, about 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, date sugar, a half a cup or so. And if you have some left over, you can eat it on something, and it's so good. So basically you make a little patty out of the cookie dough, and then you put a little blob in the middle, and you make a little dumpling out of it, except you leave it open on the top. So here's another one. Just make it into a flat little pancake, then spoon a little bit of the caramely fudge on top. Fold up the sides, and there's another one. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Are you going to try this recipe? Or did you already try it, and how did it go? So we're just going to keep forming these cookies. Each one takes a few seconds to make, but it's pretty easy. It's like a little pie. Alright, I'm just going to speed this up a lot. You don't need to see every single one. Let's get to the ending and see what these look and taste like, because I can't wait to try it out. Thank you so much everyone for subscribing, by the way, all the new subscribers and everyone commenting. I appreciate it. Alright, let's pop these in the oven. 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 minutes. Or until nice and golden brown. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. I'm gonna try these out. Look at the middle. They get nice and crispy on top, but there's a gooey layer of caramel in the middle, and it's so good. And the good thing is, since they're healthy, you can eat a lot of them and they aren't disgusting after you eat them. So what do you think? I liked them, definitely. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. If you're looking to completely change your life around and change your health around, you're in the right place. I have a 12-week transformation program, and you can win a spot in it. All you have to do is subscribe, comment below, and share this on social media. I'll see you in the next video. Have an amazing day on purpose. Peace.